Today we'll be making 3 Thanksgiving side dishes that will bring the traditional flavor to the next level. They are easy and quick to make as well. The first one is highly requested every year, is Bourbon Creamed Corn. Defrost 800-gram frozen corn in the microwave. Heat 2 tablespoons butter in the pan. Add 1.5 tablespoon flour. Sauté like you are making a roux, but be careful not to burn the butter. Then add 3/4 cup milk and 1.5 cups heavy cream. Cook until thickens. Add 800-gram corn. Cook until the corn is heated through. Add 3 tablespoons sugar, 3/4 teaspoons salt, and some black pepper. Remember that the longer you cook this, the thicker the creamed corn. Also, as the dish gets cooler, it will be thicker. Now add the bourbon. Stir until it starts to boil, then turn off the heat. Your creamed corn is now ready. Next, we'll be making the broccoli salad. This is another dish that everybody at the table likes. We need 400 grams broccoli crowns. Watch how I cut the crowns. I only cut the stem part and then I pull to separate the crowns so the florets are intact. If you cut the entire crowns like this, you'll cut the florets and they will be all over the place. Steam the broccoli for about 20 seconds to half a minute, depending upon your steamer, and then let it cool. Thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. Your support means so much to me. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button for quick, easy, and delicious recipe, plus fun food reviews and travel eats. Pat the broccoli with paper towel to absorb any liquid. Then add 5 tablespoons mayo and stir. Add 1 tablespoon sugar and stir. Add 3 tablespoons raisins or craisins. Because craisins are red, they will make the dish look much nicer. You can also add some pecans if you like. So this dish can be ready in a few minutes. The third dish we are making is asparagus. This is not your typical sides, but some of my family members really like this. Also separate the asparagus, those big fat stem from the thin stem, as they took longer to cook. Heat up 2 tablespoons olive oil. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Saute till garlic looks yellow. Add 250 grams asparagus. Cook until al dente. Watch not to burn the garlic. Add wine to glaze the pan, salt and pepper. Your asparagus is ready. Let me know what is your favorite twist on any of these recipes. I would love to hear how you make it your own. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time.